For the Greenlight jam, I'll be taking one of my old ideas called Shadow Chaser, which I did for a Coding Blocks jam last year. The basic idea is that it's a pure platformer. Stages come in 3 levels. Once you've completed one level, the path that you took in that level becomes the obstacle for your future levels. Here you can see some gameplay from the original. Notice that the levels build on each other. That's going to be a key design element for all the levels that we make. A lot of the major mechanics are going to be staying the same. What I really want to focus on is improving the tightness of the controls and the overall quality of the art design. Also, I think it's going to be very important to get a level editor set up as quickly as possible so that I can start building and testing levels as soon as possible as well. Previously I made it in Unity. I'll be remaking this in Godot this time. There are some key features I want to focus on this time around. Movement-wise, we want to be able to run, we want to be able to double jump and wall jump, and we want to have a horizontal dash. So the player should be able to dash directly right and left without losing or gaining any altitude. There's a possibility that the shadows might not just be obstacles. I have some ideas to maybe use them as ways to refresh things like your double jump and your dash. But that's a stretch goal at this point. For the Greenlight gem, I want to focus on having at least 8 levels. Each level will have 3 stages, and the design of each stage should build on each other. So like we did in the last game, if for instance you have a flat plane for the first stage, the second one may introduce something in the middle, and the third stage may introduce something on top of that to block you and force you into dealing with your shadow's path.